symptoms happen to show up right afterwards. He says he's replaced the mass air sensor and it's still showing that. So we're going to head out there today and inspect the wiring harness to make sure it's ohms out correctly and to make sure there's no water in any of the electrical connections. But we'll see what we can get behind. Well, I didn't film it because it was a big rush. I got another job ahead, so I didn't have a whole lot of time to film. But I did take a couple pictures. Now, what I ended up having to do was I ended up having to rebuild the wiring harness and a doosan with a chase it down. There's not a whole lot of schematics online for them, and they were bought out by Daewoo, which Bobcat bought out Daewoo. So between that and there's not a whole lot of reps out there that know anything about them. But we got it up and running. Everything looks fine on it. I'm gonna take it out here and bounce it around a little bit and see what we got. But until the next time, keep watching.